Drop a stone in a bucket, and the ripples radiate out. In a big enough bucket, this expansion of energy seems endless, until those ripples hit the edge of the bucket. Then, in an instant, all that energy is moving in the exact opposite direction. We have hit the edge. The planet is finite. What was once frugal is now wasteful. What was once business as usual must become business as unusual. My name is Alex Boguski, and I've spent most of my life building brands. I got good enough at it that the biggest corporations in the world asked me to shape their brands. Honestly, I loved it. But a couple of years ago, I started to notice that the rules of business were suddenly changing, almost running in reverse. So I left my agency to get down to the business of imagining a future. I partnered with a friend, Rob Shuham, and my wife, Anna, and we started the Fearless Cottage to explore the potential for a new agreement between consumers and corporations, an agreement that more fully empowered the largest and most powerful economic force in the world, the consumer. We must have struck a chord because thousands of people came forward asking how they could get involved, but we were stuck talking about the problem. Modern brands are worth billions of dollars, representing up to half of the company's total value. But even the most progressive companies can't share that value. The benefit of brand value only accrues to the company itself, not to society, not to the environment, and not to generations of the future. Why? What would happen if a brand could be shared just like any other asset? So we had to ask ourselves, what would you do if you could do anything? The answer to that question created Common. Common will unlock that value. Common is one part community, one part business incubator, and one part collaborative brand. Common is designed to bring people together, unleashing their creativity to rapidly prototype and launch hundreds of mutually supportive businesses, and doing all this under a shared brand. A brand that's community-owned and community-directed, offering huge brand value to the small social entrepreneur. Someday soon, a startup social venture in some far-off corner of the world will be able to launch their business with the immediate global awareness of a brand that represents a shared purpose, shared goals, shared means, and shared values. A single brand encompassing products, businesses, and the ideals of its community. Common may be the first collaborative mark, but in the spirit of collaboration, we hope it's just the first of many.